Hey guys, Peyton here, and this is going to be a quick, honest review of this Yoose mini shaver. First off, in receiving this product, I was honestly blown away by the artistic packaging. It's super eye-catching and creative, and as soon as I saw it, I had a feeling that this product would be absolutely incredible, and so far, that has been 100% accurate. This Yoose mini shaver is honestly an outstanding product in a multitude of ways. To start off, in using it, its compact size and flexible use makes for a convenient, effective shave every time. And being made with a double ring arc and German steel blades, you can always expect that sharp and comfortable look you're looking for in cleaning up. Not to mention, this product is also 100% waterproof washable, and most importantly, is best known for its portability, as the Yoose mini shaver also comes with a traveling case and is super easy to carry around, and it even is equipped with a travel lock function. Overall, this Yoose mini shaver is an absolutely phenomenal grooming product. It does everything you would need in a shaver and then some, and if you're looking for an optimal shaver with a laundry list of benefits, then this Yoose mini shaver is 100% for you.